Hello there fellow video enthusiasts, I'm Asadullah and today we are going to explore a cool world of zooming in Premiere Pro. Let's make our videos pop with a cinematic touch. First thing first, drop a video onto your timeline, hop over to the effects panel, look for the transform tool and drag it onto your video. It's like giving your video superpowers. Click on your video in the timeline, it's the star of our show. Now let's enable the magic. In the transform settings, untick use composition shutter angle and crank up the shutter angle to 360. This is our secret sauce for that cool motion effect. Time to start our zoom story. Put the playhead where the journey begins. Click the stopwatch next to scale. It's like telling Premiere, hey, this is where our zoom adventure starts. If your zoom tail is off center, click the stopwatch next to position 2. Move the climax where your video gets super zoomed. Increase the scale to let's say 300%. Make sure the position is spot on. Press play and see the magic unfold. Your video will now zoom in with a cool blur effect. For that pro touch, make your zoom smooth. Right click on your keyframes, choose ease in, smooth sailing. But wait, there's more. Want to zoom back out? Repeat the steps, create keyframes for a reverse journey. Press play again and voila, your video now zooms in and out, looking all fancy. And that's a wrap on our zooming adventure. If you like this, hit like and subscribe for more video fun. Thanks for joining me on this editing journey. Until next time, keep creating and have fun with your videos.